Hello YouTube, it's really good to be back on here today. I'm going to give you another guitar tricks video. So last time I showed you how to play a few chords, but now I'm going to show you something different. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to tune your guitar down a half step. So what it means to tune down your guitar down a half step, it means that you take it from a standard tuning and you go a half a step down. So the reason why people tune their guitars to different tunings is A, to see if it sounds cool and try a different material for different songs. And also, people have different voice ranges. So I can sing in standard tuning, but sometimes I can't hit like very high notes. So sometimes when I'm writing a song, I tend to do down a half step. So this way, half step basically it helps to match your voice, which is why most people will tune down guitar down a half step. And also it's a little calmer because if you strum really hardly on in standard tuning it's a bit rough, but when you're in E flat, which is also what half step tuning is known as, E flat, it's actually a little calmer. Tuning your guitar down basically represents one fret. So 2 frets would be a whole step, is what guitarist like Paul McCartney, he tuned his guitar. See, he's basically a baritone, so he tuned his guitar down a whole step, like Yesterday, Blackbird, or something like that. Right. Now, there's 3 ways how you can tune your guitar down. One, you can tune off by the ear, but I'm not a trained guitar tuner, so I can't really tune my guitar by the ear because I can never remember what the strings actually sound like when it's in standard tuning or in E flat, something like that. So yeah, that's one of them if you're a trained guitar tuner. Or you can use you can use your phone. There's a lot of apps out there that you can use, apps like this. Or you can use what everyone else just uses, which is one of these. This is a guitar tuner. I don't really know what model this is, but basically it has a little red light here, and if I put this on, and I'm going to try and get a good view of this as possibly as I can, if I hold that green light, if it's in the middle of the green light, that means it's in tune, but if it's out or below, that means it's detuned. So, right. And also another thing to mention, some guitars have a tuner built in, but my guitar here hasn't got a tuner built in. It's just a standard guitar. So let's get to work. So get our tuner on, and the first string I'm gonna tune down is your low E string, which we're gonna tune down to D sharp or E flat. They're both the same, so. Right, next string we're going to tune down is your A string, which we're going to tune down to G sharp, I think, or A flat. Like I said, it's both the same, so. Next up, we're going to do your D string or D sharp. I don't actually know what it's called. I can't actually remember. So let's tune down. Oh, there it is. It's C sharp. We're going to do the G string. But that's tuned down. Next up, we're going to tune down your B string. Oh, that's tuned up. And what we're going down to is A flat. And the final string we're going to tune down is your E string. To D sharp. There we go, and there we're tuned down a half step. So what you want to make sure you do is that you want to adjust each string, because what's happening, it's the strings are loosening a bit and it's taking the tension off the neck. So you want to make sure you fine tune each one. And there we go, we're tuned down a half step. So now, if you want to play a song in standard tuning, now, what I have to warn you is, if you tune down and tune up, eventually that puts a lot of pressure on the strings and eventually they will snap. They are replaceable, but it's a little bit of a hassle, you know, retuning your guitar and all that. So, if you actually just want to... the easiest way to do it without actually just tuning your guitar back up is that you can use a capo. Now, because we're tuned down a half step, like I said, tuning down represents one fret. So if I tune down, if I capo with the first fret, that puts it back into standard tuning. Say if I wanted to capo the second fret, what you have to remember is, because you're tuned down, that's your capo, that's your fret, which is the one you just tuned down. So if you want to put it, so if you're looking for the second fret, it's technically the third fret, because this one is technically, I guess you can sort of look like it's turned off, because this is technically your standard tuning fret. So that be your first, that be your second, that be your third, and that be your fourth. Alright guys, I hope you found that very helpful. I really hope I taught you something. Maybe I'll show you some other tunings. Maybe I might show you whole step tuning and, I don't know, drop D tuning, but I think we'll save that for another time. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll leave a link in the description for my first guitar trick video where I showed you some chords, and I'll even leave the link in the description for the new video that just came out on Monday, which is called Good Luck. And part 4 of Super Minecraft Adventures Season 3 will be out soon. See you guys.